Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. And today I just want to come with you a quick video sharing with you 5 items that I like to buy at thrift stores, 5 items that you should be on the lookout for at thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, auctions, Facebook Marketplace, wherever you're going to source. Now, these aren't all home run items, but you got to understand when you're starting a reselling business. I mean, a lot of people are like, I'm trying to find the record that sells for $2,000. I'm trying to find the Pokemon card. I'm trying to find the super rare item that's going to sell for 500. But here's the thing. You're going to most likely build your business off of singles and doubles, items that make you $10 profit, $20 profit, $40 profit. And I just want to share with you 5 everyday items that you can be on the lookout for and find. You might not find it today. You probably won't find it this week, but when you do come across it, you can put some money in your pocket. So with that being said, if you enjoy these types of videos and you want me to make some more of these short, just right to the point type videos where you can go out and find this stuff, then let me know. Also, real quick, if you want to learn more about what items to buy and sell, I did release the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. So check that out. That's a service I released that will provide you with 5 fully researched items sent to your email inside a membership group every single day. That's 150 items a month. That's almost 2,000 items a year. It's $10 a month right now. No contract, cancel anytime you want, 30-day money back guarantee. So with that being said, let's go. So here's an interesting item. I sold this actually from a garage sale last year for $45. The item is called Skuncy. I don't know if it's Skuncy or Skunky. I'll call it Skuncy. But this is a handheld steamer. You can use it on your car, inside your wheels. You can just to get into any tiny little crack. It's supposed to get rid of bacteria. It's supposed to be really strong. I sold one for $45. I see them all over the place. The cool thing about this is you can actually sell some of the accessories as well. So as you can see in this example right here, there's a whole set of accessories that come with it. This one sold for $40 plus free shipping. There's all different types of attachments, and there's the actual unit right there that you could see. But just an everyday item that you can find at garage sales. That's where I found mine. You can find these at thrift stores. Sub $10, I would pick them up. If it's brand new in the box, if it has the manual, that's even better. Sometimes you'll find these things in the box, never used. But if it's used, you're probably looking between $25, $35, up to $50. It just depends if you have, all the accessories and whatnot. All right, so moving on, let's talk about this. Now, this is a little single. This isn't going to make you a lot of money, but it's just an interesting thing. I've never sold this personally, but I'm always studying different items. I'm always researching to figure out what I can find at a thrift store, what I can find at a garage sale. And this is called the Big Bubba Mug. It's 52 ounces. It's very large. There's different ones. There's different niches like the football one. There's different colors like the pink and the greens. Some of these things sell for 10, 15, 20 bucks. This is something you pick up for $1 or $2. You don't really want to spend $5, $6 unless it's brand new. There's a bunch of different ones, but it's 52 ounces. It's big, it's different, it's unique. They sell pretty regularly, as you can see, at the time of this recording. I think today's November 11th. There's a bunch of them selling almost every single day. So it's just a little thing to be on the lookout for. Put $5, $10 profit in your pocket, and just, like I said, your business is going to be built on the singles. Now, speaking of items that can make you a bit more money, I sell these usually for 30 to 50 used. If you get them new, yeah, you can get over 100, but it's going to be tough to find this. But here's an example of a brand called Dansko, D-A-N-S-K-O. This is a really popular women's shoe brand. We got some clogs right here. This sold for $140 new. But again, look up this brand, Dansko. Let me see if I could show you that picture right here. Right there. These things sell really well. Make sure they're in good shape. But these things are built strong. They're built to last. I'll pick them up for $5 to $9, sometimes 10 or 11. If they're different colors, if they're unique, they could go for more. But usually 30 to 50 bucks all day long. A really good women's brand. Now, the fourth item I want to share with you, for people who aren't seasoned veterans, who haven't been reselling for a while, you're probably thinking, what the heck, Steve? You're going to share with me outdated media, DVDs. Who buys DVDs? DVDs aren't worth much money. They actually sell really well. And I sell most of my DVDs on Amazon FBA. So if you come across things like books and CDs and DVDs, I like to sell them on Amazon. They sell much quicker for me. They sell for more money, but you might not be able to sell DVDs on Amazon because you have to have wholesale invoices, which you can easily get from like Alliance or Ingram. Just pick up 10 of an item, give Amazon the invoice, and you can get ungated. But anyways, I sell this item on Amazon used between 30 to 50. I've been picking some of these up on eBay and flipping them new for about $80 to $90 on Amazon. It doesn't have the best rank. They don't sell super quick, but for me, I'll pick them up, flip them, make 20, 30, 40 bucks profit. Sometimes they sit for a month or two, but yeah, MTV 20, believe it or not, anyone who's, in their 30s, 40s, maybe younger, I don't know, is MTV even a thing anymore? Back in my day, MTV was, it was the ish. Everybody watched it. So I think there's a lot of people trying to relive their childhood. But yeah, this thing sells well. Look for DVDs. There's maybe in the future, I'll make a video sharing more DVDs I go after. But I actually have a list of over 300 DVDs that I am on the lookout for, that I source off of eBay to flip on Amazon, and different things that I do. So yeah, let's move on to the last one. This is a home run if you could find it. I've never found a Liberty puzzle that I could remember. Maybe a long time ago, but I can't recollect flipping them. But this is hard to come across. This is very rare. It's called Liberty puzzles. As you can see, they sell really well. Of course, make sure all the pieces are there. It stinks having to count all the pieces, but that's the last thing you want to do, is sell a puzzle for 170, 180 bucks that is missing a piece. But yeah, Liberty puzzles, very rare, very hard to come across, but whew, do they move quick. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. If you want to learn more about the items like this that you can flip, then check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. This isn't just a list of items that you're going to get every day, but every day you will receive 5 fully researched items that you could flip on eBay, on Amazon, on Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark. We cover all different types of niches. It doesn't matter if you're international or if you live in the States. These are 5 different items that are fully researched. We share what they're selling for. We give you a picture. We share with you different keywords. We share with you how hard it is to find, like the level of difficulty. We share where you can source it. I mean, this is a full in-depth service that, we're spending a ton of time creating. So if you want to learn about 5 new items a day, 150 items a month, almost 2,000 items a month for only, at the time of this recording, it's $10 a month. It is going to go up to 20. I'm not just saying that, but I launched it at essentially the cheapest price possible to get a lot of my, hardcore loyal followers in it, so they can get grandfathered in that price and be able to learn on a budget and help them the most. But I am going to raise it to 20. So that's coming soon. If you want to get in, check that out. But with that being said, I appreciate you all, appreciate all the support. And, I love helping resellers. I'm so grateful to be a reseller. And there's just so many opportunities out there right now. The only thing holding us back is us. We got to go out there. We got to research. We got to learn. We got to find them and flip them. So with that being said, much love. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.